Good afternoon. George Cavaligos for HFT Bonds. Another day, another new low. We actually took out the lows at 135.03 and 05 from last year in the bonds. Following on the heels of the 10-year here. Trying to bounce a little bit right now off of those lows. Not getting a lot of love or a lot of volume on the bounces, so you got to keep looking for spots to sell. I think this morning we saw the bond market tried to rally, made a one tick higher high versus last night's high. At the same time, the 10-year was not ticking out the previous highs from last night. Again, I love to highlight those divergences, and if you learn anything, guys, look for those one tick higher highs or the non-confirmations between the bonds and the notes. Always good signals. So now what? Monday, no data. We'll have to see what kind of a bounce. I would always look for some kind of a bounce without data, even though it hasn't really mattered that much for the market to go down without data. But again, I think if we can bounce back up towards last night's highs again, that would be a nice spot to look for some kind of reversal behavior or some kind of a sell signal. Maybe the same kind of thing. Maybe the 10-year makes a one tick higher high and the bonds don't. That type of a trade. Have a great weekend. Be careful the rest of the day. The volume's really dropping off now. And actually, we're seeing a little bit of an increasing volume on the upticks in the bonds and notes at, a little bit before noon Chicago time. And I think it's just kind of day traders. The close will be important to watch. I think we should see a little bit of selling into the close, but I think more than anything, they might be waiting for Monday now to see what happens over the weekend here. Sell rallies, look for good spots to do it, and I'll see you on Monday morning bright and early in the chat room and in the morning email, guys.